Hello everyone, just got this package of locks in from our buddy TonyS. Gonna see if we can't throw one in the vise and pick it real quick. Let's see what we have here. We have an S-Tech, an Abus, a CGF, an SKS, Abus, hold on, I think I'm reading some of these twice, and an Era. Alright, I guess first things first, let's just grab one. It's so hard to be random when they're all so pretty. I guess we'll just go with this Abus to start with. I'm gonna upset everyone by mounting this Euro cylinder upside down. It'll be okay. Alright. See here. Alright, our 50 thousandths pry bar will fit. So let's get to it. Nice deep false set there. Alright, we got that one open. That was a pretty good fight there. See if I can get the glare off of that thing. Is there a way? Yeah, that's that one. Trying to see if this one has a key that came with it. Yeah, that's the key for this one. Not bad, good fight. Thank you, Tony. This is starting out fun already. Alright, everybody take care. Thanks for watching.